Okay, this is how I remove. Just tap it from one end all the way in, and then I'm going to grab it from the other end and pull it out. Okay, that's the way to change this. Okay, so here's what I remove from there, and as you can see, it's quite trusted from behind. So we just want to change all of them actually, so that I will. Okay, back from the market. In this part of the world, we don't really have so much access to parts, so I have to buy a used cup, but this is stainless material, so it will last longer. The next thing I need to do is to get the size of the socket that can fit. So for this cup is 32 mm. When I measure it this way, it was 32 mm. So the cup that fit it, or the socket that fit it, is 22 mm socket. So we apply its gasket seal just to ensure we don't have leaks. Okay, sure no part is missing. And then we go in just with an hammer and knock it into position. It's a very difficult position to hammer. Still have some way to go. Let's see if we can add the extension and have a lid. Okay, clean up the excess seal and check to be sure everywhere is covered. That is how we resolve the seal leak problem of the plug. In some area they call this core plug, some call it expansion plug, and in this part of the world we just call it cup, engine cup, and that's all we do. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start the process of installing the pump.